Now, we can also use our spectrogram tool to make sounds. For example, I will touch here on the right of the screen. And I'll be creating a pure tone. I can also add effects. For example, I can add a delay. Or some other effects I'll let you play with. Now, if I touch here where the lines are, you see that the sound is pretty different. Instead of playing any possible frequency, I will be playing a discrete set of frequencies. That's called a musical scale. And different musical scales have different flavors. For example, I just played a pentatonic scale. You could play a major scale, which is very typical on Western music. Or I can play a blues scale. Right? So each scale is a discrete set of frequencies, and usually a given song is written in a certain scale. For example, I will play, I will go back to the pentatonic scale, and I will play Mary Had a Little Lamb. But touching on the lines as they are now is really hard. You have to have really sharp fingers. So you can actually change the frequency range to zoom in on the frequency range that you want, and you'll be better able to see the lines. You can also do it by clicking on this box that says beakers, and you will know why later. Now, the Mary Had a Little Lamb goes like this. It is very important that when you play a song on the spectrogram, you stick your tongue out like this. You can also select the notes that you want to play. For example, let's say that I want to play a song that has the notes E, G, A, and A sharp. Then I can go up here and deselect notes B and D, and now and select note A sharp. So now I only have E, G, A, and A sharp. Will it sound good? I don't know. I think that was pretty beautiful. A feature that is really cool is this camera feature. This will detect the position of my fingers and play accordingly.